guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. I'm going to do 2 quick DIY for you today. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will like the video and decide to become a subscriber. What you will need for this DIY is the Dollar Tree flowers. You can choose whatever it is you want. I decided to go with the ones that have pumpkin and the fall leaves because I purchased the cup that have the fall leaves on it. So it just depends on how full you want yours to be. I have 3 of the stems. I wanted to go ahead and create a bow, so I took my Dollar Tree ribbon and I folded it in half, just like that, glued it together, and I went ahead and split a piece of my ribbon in half. And now I'm going to take the one I folded and folded it over. See if I can come closer. Fold it over on the back side of where I glued them together. So basically this is what it should look like. Now I'm going to take the other half and bring it to the back and just like that, and fold it over. Before I fold it over, I'm going to add some glue. This is not the easiest thing to do, guys, with one hand. Okay, so I'm going to bring that down. Fold it over as tight as I can. Then I want to flare out the ribbon. Going to check to make sure it has enough glue on it. Just put a little dab for security. And I'm going to let it sit for a bit to get our floral going. So the first thing I want to do is to go around make sure you get them as far down as you can in this cup. Okay. And that's pretty much going to disguise the base. If you want to put, you can add some, what's the word I'm looking for? Some moss. You can add some moss if you'd like at the bottom, but I don't want to have moss in here. I want to have just flowers. So I'm just going to randomly place my pumpkins and have my flowers as the bed of where everything will lay. I think I'd like to get this a little closer to the front. Let's bring this up closer. Okay. So this will have 2 large pumpkins. And I think I want to have this in the back just a little bit taller, just to give height to the arrangement. Guys, very simple, very easy, and it's done. Okay, So let's see now if I can add my bow in here, if that works. If it doesn't work, it's no big deal. If it does work, then great. So I decided to go ahead and cut the bottom on an angle. And now I want to make sure that the white lines up with each other. I'm going to add a dab of glue. And then I'm going to glue them together. Add on the back side of this bow. And then go ahead and attach this piece to it. Make sure you take the V and place it to where the white is showing onto the front and not the back. Now that you've got that all situated, let's go ahead and add our glue again to the back side of this. We're going to put a generous amount of glue on it because I don't want it to come loose. And then we'll add it to the top of the mug. Hold it in place until it dries. Guys, I think that is adorable. So we've got this small little floral arrangement that is quick, easy, and ready for fall. You can place somewhere in your kitchen or wherever you'd want a little mug to go. All right, I'm gonna put that to the side and we will jump right into the next DIY. For this DIY, guys, you will need one of these wood from the these were from Walmart. They were $2.98 and this is what they look like. They're not very thick. I've done a project with them before and I've shared with you. Now, you will need one of the Dollar Tree signs, which I absolutely love. It has a little bit of glitter on it, and I think that's fabulous. You will need to trim this tiny little burlap off. So you'll need a Dollar Tree wooden pumpkin. You'll need one of the Walmart little plaques, the little wooden rectangle. You will need some spray paints because I'm thinking we should spray paint this. I'm not quite sure if we should do it in white because of the writing on this being white. I think I may. Let's do white. I think that would be pretty and probably add some glitter to that as well to pick this up. So you're going to need just a few of these flowers just to disguise your hole. But before we start to assemble, I'm going to go ahead and spray paint my plaque and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I forgot to mention you're going to need a Dollar Tree rope. And the reason why, I would like to outline my pumpkin. And so what I want to do is add a generous amount of glue onto the center of the pumpkin. Then I'm going to lay my rope down and press into the hole of the pumpkin. Hold it until it dries. Then outline the rest of your, don't be in a hurry because this will take a little while. Not a lot, but you're basically outlining the pumpkin. I'm going to go ahead, finish that up, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. So guys, this is how it turned out, and I've decided I'm going to add a second layer of rope to this project. I may do 2 more. So I'm going to go ahead, lay my glue down on the inside. The first time was on the edge, this time it's on the inside. Close to the rope as possible. Then go ahead and lay your rope tightly against the other one. Make sure it's snug against the other one. I'm going to go ahead and do that all the way around and possibly add a third one to that. I'm not for sure. As I go, Okay guys, so I went ahead and glued the rectangle wood to the back of this pumpkin, so now it sits upright. So I've got a pumpkin that can sit on a desk or on a table along with my fall floral. I'll put it on the table and let you get a really good look at what both of them turned out to be. Dollar Tree looks wonderful. So I am very pleased with that. I hope you do too. Okay guys, I decided to place it in my work area where I sit and record. I hope you like it. I think it goes well in this area. Leave me a message. Let me know what your thoughts are on this Dollar Tree farmhouse beauty. I absolutely love how quick and easy, simple it is, but yet it adds such great statement. All right guys, thank you. Don't forget to leave me a comment, and if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Become a part of this family. I truly appreciate your time and your support. I will see you on my next DIY.